Please subscribe, like, and comment to support the channel and help boost the YouTube algorithm. Here are 3 fascinating subjects, each with 20 numbered facts. Enjoy the journey of discovery, and remember to interact at the end to help our channel grow. Albert Einstein. Fact 1. Einstein was born in 1879 in Ulm, Germany, and showed an early curiosity for math and physics. Fact 2. He developed the theory of relativity, changing the world's understanding of space, time, and gravity. Fact 3. Einstein's famous equation E equals sine mc2 reveals the link between mass and energy. Fact 4. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for explaining the photoelectric effect, not relativity. Fact 5. Einstein's thinking style relied heavily on thought experiments, imagining situations instead of using actual labs. Fact 6. He detested war and advocated strongly for peace and global cooperation. Fact 7. Einstein was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, but respectfully declined, preferring science over politics. Fact 8. He played violin to relax and loved classical music, including Mozart and Bach. Fact 9. Einstein emigrated to the United States in 1933, escaping rising Nazi threats. Fact 10. His brain was preserved after his death in hopes of understanding genius. Studies found unusual features. Fact 11. Einstein struggled early in school, especially with language, but excelled in science subjects. Fact 12. He was known for his playful sense of humor. His tongue-out photo remains iconic. Fact 13. Despite fame, Einstein valued modesty and often refused special honors or recognition. Fact 14. He was deeply concerned about nuclear weapons following World War II, urging world leaders to seek disarmament. Fact 15. Einstein's image and quotes are still widely used in pop culture and advertising today. Fact 16. He wrote hundreds of scientific papers, with work influencing everything from GPS to modern cosmology. Fact 17. Einstein believed imagination was more important than knowledge, inspiring creativity worldwide. Fact 18. He helped develop quantum theory, though he famously clashed with other physicists on its interpretation. Fact 19. Einstein became a symbol of scientific innovation, open-mindedness, and humanitarian ideals. Fact 20. His legacy endures, influencing physics, education, and inspiring science across the globe. The Pacific Ocean. Fact 1. The Pacific is the world's largest and deepest ocean, spanning over 60 million square miles. Fact 2. Its name means peaceful sea, given by explorer Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. Fact 3. The deepest point, the Mariana Trench, plunges 36,000 feet beneath the surface. Fact 4. Pacific waters touch Asia, Australia, North America, South America, and Antarctica. Fact 5. It holds more islands than any other ocean, over 25,000, including Hawaii and Fiji. Fact 6. The Pacific Coast's Ring of Fire is a hotspot for volcanic eruptions and earthquakes. Fact 7. The Pacific's rich fisheries make it vital for food, supporting millions of livelihoods. Fact 8. Typhoons and cyclones frequently strike the Pacific regions, affecting coastal communities. Fact 9. Migratory species like whales, sea turtles, and salmon rely on Pacific routes for travel and breeding. Fact 10. Coral reefs, like Australia's Great Barrier Reef, thrive in the Pacific's warm, clear waters. Fact 11. The El Niño phenomenon originates here, drastically affecting global weather. Fact 12. Pollution and plastic waste are major threats, with vast garbage patches swirling in the ocean. Fact 13. Early ocean explorers crossed the Pacific using Polynesian navigation methods before compasses existed. Fact 14. Underwater volcanic mountains called seamounts are scattered across the Pacific's floor. Fact 15. The Pacific is home to some of the world's most diverse marine ecosystems. Fact 16. Major port cities such as Tokyo, San Francisco, and Sydney rely heavily on Pacific shipping routes. Fact 17. The Pacific Plate is the largest tectonic plate on the planet, driving frequent earthquakes and resulting in significant geological changes. Fact 18. Sunsets over Pacific beaches are celebrated for their beauty and serenity. Fact 19. Ocean currents in the Pacific help regulate Earth's climate and transport nutrients. Fact 20. The Pacific Ocean remains a symbol of adventure, mystery, and environmental responsibility. Honeybees. Fact 1. Honeybees pollinate a third of all foods, making them critical to agriculture. Fact 2. Each bee colony has one queen, thousands of female workers, and a few male drones. Fact 3. Bees dance to communicate the location of nearby flowers with other workers. Fact 4. The queen bee can lay up to 2,000 eggs a day during peak months. Fact 5. Honey is made by bees transforming nectar with their enzymes and evaporation. Fact 6. Bees use hexagonal wax cells to store honey and raise their young. Fact 7. Worker bees only live about 6 weeks during busy seasons before their wings wear out. Fact 8. Pheromones help organize hive activities, including feeding, cleaning, and egg laying. Fact 9. Bees can see ultraviolet patterns, making it easier to find flowers rich in nectar. Fact 10. They can fly up to 15 miles per hour while searching for food. Fact 11. Stinging kills a worker bee, as its barbed stinger gets stuck and pulls away vital organs. Fact 12. Bees produce propolis from plant resins to disinfect and reinforce their hive walls. Fact 13. Colony collapse disorder has endangered bee populations in recent years. Fact 14. Humans have kept bees for thousands of years for honey, beeswax, and pollination. Fact 15. Bees are social insects, working together as a highly organized community. Fact 16. Varroa mites and pesticides are among their worst enemies, harming hives worldwide. Fact 17. The world's largest honeybee is found in Southeast Asia and is known for its giant nests. Fact 18. Some ancient cultures used honey for wound healing and medicine. Fact 19. Healthy bee populations help wild plants and garden flowers thrive through pollination. Fact 20. Protecting bees is essential for food supply, healthy ecosystems, and biodiversity. Chocolate Fact 1. Chocolate comes from cacao beans, first cultivated by Mesoamerican civilizations over 3,000 years ago. Fact 2. Cacao trees only grow in tropical regions near the equator. Fact 3. Ancient peoples drank chocolate as a bitter, spicy beverage, not the sweet treat known today. Fact 4. The scientific name for cacao is Theobroma cacao, meaning food of the gods. Fact 5. Cocoa contains antioxidants called flavonoids, which may benefit heart health. Fact 6. White chocolate isn't technically chocolate. It contains no cocoa solids, just cocoa butter. Fact 7. Belgians and Swiss are famous for their expert chocolate-making traditions. Fact 8. The world's largest chocolate bar weighed over 12,000 pounds and was made in Armenia. Fact 9. Chocolate melts at body temperature, which is why it feels so smooth and creamy in your mouth. Fact 10. Dark chocolate contains more antioxidants and less sugar than milk chocolate. Fact 11. July 7th is celebrated as World Chocolate Day, marking chocolate's arrival in Europe. Fact 12. Approximately 2 million tons of cocoa beans are produced annually worldwide. Fact 13. The chocolate industry supports millions of farmers, especially in West Africa. Fact 14. The Aztecs valued cacao seeds so highly that they were used as currency. Fact 15. Tempering chocolate involves precise heating and cooling to produce gloss and snap. Fact 16. Ruby chocolate, invented in 2017, offers a naturally pink color and tangy flavor. Fact 17. Chocolate releases chemicals in the brain linked to pleasure and happiness. Fact 18. Chocolate bunnies and eggs are a popular tradition during Easter. Fact 19. The largest consumers of chocolate per capita are in Switzerland, Germany, and Austria. Fact 20. Chocolate remains one of the world's favorite indulgences and comfort foods. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment on the video to support the channel and boost the YouTube algorithm.